Unang possession, no? Go entrance. Go entrance. Pasok yan kay number 3. 2 points. Legend BC, number 77, pulls the 3. And ang go entrance. Go entrance, number 10. Uwira ng 3. Wala. Kuha ni number 88. Umikot. Foul. Number 7. Legend PC. First personal foul. Number 88 in the line. First bonus. First one is good. Second one is good.
Quartermaster ako dito. Quarter ako.
Number 25, Gonzaga for the 3. Gonzaga, number 25.
Tama ba ito? Legend BC? Legend BC tumira?
Rebound by Legend BC, number 77. Number 5, pass to number 25. Number 77. There's a 3. Number 77. Entrance, Sumira, point number 3. Yes, sir. Okay lang. Number 3. Here's number 5. Number 77 pulls a 3. Overshoots. Rebound by number 8. Ganda ng pasa, rejected.
Gusto mo sa akin na yung dalawa, sabay. Sa akin. Hindi, ito, dalawa. Sabayin ko.
Okay. Mayroon ako dyan. Sige.
Basic lang.
This is number 10. This is number 5. Number 29, wala. Tumira si number 77. Number 7 is good. No entrance. Pasok yan. Pumasok ka. 3 points. Number 8. Ako na nga lang. Baka malito ka. Kaya mo din. Number 29. Pasok. Number 29. Pasok yan. 2 points. The score natin. 13-9. Number 8. 3 points. Number 8. Pasok. Sino nakatira? Number 29 is good. As you go entrance, number 3. Trap pass. Naistila niya ng Legend BC and a steal by number 3. Number 3, penetrates. Wala. Mukha ni number 77. Number 77 to number 25. Yes, sir. Number 25. Laton tayo sa rep. 5:20. Okay, back to the ball game. Ang score natin 12-17 in favor of Legend BC. This is number 3, tumira ng 3, short. Rebound by number 30. Libre si number 9. Yes, sir. Entrance, number 10. That is good. Number 17. To number 9, to number 11, to number 77. Hesitates, fakes. Finds number 30. To number 9 and a steal by number 18. Long pass to number 10. Go entrance. Yes, sir. The score 16-19. As number 30. Pumira ng press. In and out.
Okay, ikaw pala yan.
As number 18. Number 18 to number 27. Pulls. Wonder. Rebound by number 30. Mendoza. Number 13. That was easy basket yan. That is good. Number 11.
Anong pangalan ng number 11 na yan?
Chica. Pasok yan si number 27. Number 77. 3. 24-18. Lamang pa rin ang Legend BC. Mira din ang press, number 10. Dos lang yun, kumapa. Dos. Dos tayo doon. Score natin 21. 20-24 ha.
Hindi masusunod.
Hindi kasi nababawasan. Mukha din number 3. Number 3. Wala. Wala ng green. Wala ng tres. Elbow. Ay, number 18. Number 18, nakakarang mga umasahan. Finds number 3. Number 3 to number 10. Number 27. Puts it in. Score, 22-24. Dalawa ang lamang na umira na naman si number 77. Wala yan. Ako din number 27. And a steal by number 26. Number 26 penetrates. And there's a foul. Foul number 18. Number 18. First personal foul. Masuk dalawa, yan number 26.
Huli yan dumating eh.
26 ba yun? 27.
26. Ayan.
For 11. Wala, nakuha ni. Out of bounds. Still by Mendoza. Wala, nakuha ulit ng Wentrans. Number 18. Number 18 penetrates. Number 10, that is good. Number 27, Sablay. Rebound, number 77. And si number 11, La Chica, to number 10. Foul, who's foul rep? Number 20.
De La Cruz.
Sino na foul? Number 27.
26, De La Cruz.
Basket is good, number 30. Sablay ang pangalawa. Kasi number 18. So number 10. 3 seconds violation.
Sige, dun yung hayop.
Kuya, ano pliedo ng 26? De La Beca.
Number 10. Number 3. Good.
26, De La Beca.
Number 30, Mendoza, pulls the 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 10. Number 18. Number 18.
Buzzer na lang marinig.
Buzzer na lang maririnig. Score natin, 26-27.
Legend, no?
Legend busy, nawala ang bola.
At dalawa number 25.
Dalawa yung number 25 ng ano.
Zero, 2-5 na lang yung isa.
Panosa. Inbound yung wall. Binili ka number 3. Wala yan. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11. Pass number 20. Recovered to steal by the Bertrands. Number 32. Baseline shot. Wala. Number 11. No look pass. Number 30. Basket is good. Wala. Recover number 28. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 32. Wala pa rin. Nakuha rin ni number 32. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 30. Gareth Mendoza. Mendoza pass to number 25. Fakes. Rejected. Out of bounds. Same ball. Possession. Score natin 26-29. In favor of Legends BC. Legend BC inbounded about number 11 to number 25. Fakes number 25. Wala. And it's number 6. Out of bounds. 26-29 ang ating score. Long pass to number 20. Yute Ortula. Pass in the wrong one, number 28 to number 3. Out of bounds.
Pogi.
Long pass to Yutela. Overshoots. Rebound by Mendoza. Basket is good. As number 3, looking for an open man. Pass number 28. Sidestep. Wala po ni number. Wala pa rin yan kay number 6. Wala number 25. To number 20. Number 20 to number 25. Basket is good. Number 25. Noza. Score natin 33-26. Number 3. Number 6, Flora. Foul. Who's foul? Number 25, Yutela. Ayun. Yutela ang foul na. Short ang tira. Basket is good, number 6. And number 30, pass in the Roman. Number 6. To number 8. Basket is good, okay, number 8. Number 30. Pass number 25. Sablay. Pass number 8. Basket is good. Number 11. Number 11 steal. Pass number 20. Number 20. Number 11. Number 20. Number 30. Foul. Who's foul rep? 32. Foul number 32. Go entrance.
Pangalan ng number 32 eh.
Basket is good.
Pumasok dalawa.
Isa lang.
Yung kay na Mendoza yun.
He's still by the
Sabi na tayo magplaton, master, 5 minutes lang.
number 20 Ortula. Basket is good. Number 8 for the 3. Wala.
Platon.
Laton. Sub tayo, sub. Platon muna tayo. Platon. Substitution.
Pahinga ka agad. Grabe naman yun. Pasok ko lang ah.
Rejected by number 18. Out of bounds. As number 5. As number 77. Number 20. Goes. Short. Same ball. Good pass by number 30. And there's a foul. Number 18. Number 18, second personal foul.
Pumasok.
Second one is good. Oras natin 4 minutes 40. Number 3 to number 27. Pulls. Basket is good. Okay, number 27. 33-37. Number 5. Rebound. Number 20. Wala. Nakuha din number 10. To number 88. To number 18. Number 18. Hanap ang pasahan. Pass number 3. Number 3 to number 88, Barda. Traveling violation.
Sa third na po. Sa third na pwede mag-start.
Oh, pero pag mag-time out kayo pwede.
3 points, number 30.
Pag mag-time out kayo, Adol,
Pwede
pwede.
kayo magpalit.
Is it number 3? Short. Rebound by number 30. As to number 30. Double dribble tayo. Nakuha ni number 20. Number 20, bumeke pa? Yes, sir. Number 10. Malakas ang tira. Number 5. Number 5 pa rin. Out of bounds, same ball possession. Minutes remaining. It is number 30. Pulls in 3. Wala. Nakuha ng Guentrans. Guentrans number 18. Binabang bola na kasi number 3. Rejected by number 30. The score 33-42 in favor of the Green. Is it number 18? Number 18. To number, short ng tira, for number 20. Number 20, number 5. Number 5, penetrates, wala. Number 18, to number 10. Back to number 18. Finds number 88. In and out. Ibang by number 7. And a steal by number 10. Number 10. Rejected by number 77. Nawala ang bola. Ito si Mendoza. Oh. Number 27. Number 27. Ganda ng pasa. Ganda ng tira kay number 10. Foul. Number 3. Number 5. Wala pang penalty, idol. Wala pang.
Palang Paul niya eh. Mag-penalty.
Isa pa lang kanya. Tatlo na sa kabila. Ayan na si number 30. Mendoza forcing the offense. Bangs it in. Libre. Sobrang tira. Malakas. Score natin 35-44. Number 77. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound by number 7 to number 20. Short. It forward number 7. Back to number 20. Tumira ulit. Basket is good. Number 20. Nice steal ni Mendoza. That is good. Yan ang good runs. Number 18. Floto. Malakas. Score number 88. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 14 shot clock. Pass number 88. Easy basket kay 88. Score natin 37-48. 55 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Here is number 5 setting up the play. Finds number 20. Out of bounds. Going trans ball. Wala pa tayong penalty. 3 fouls pa lang. Here is number 10. Tumira ng 3. Basket yan kay number 10. Score natin 40-48. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Legend BC. Number 30 pulls the 3. Rondo, rebound by number 8 to number 18. Drop pass number 10. Number 10, bilhin kay number 18 to number 10. Short. Rohani Mendoza number 30. Number 13 to number 5. Rosan Libington. In the paint. Pass to number 20. Pulls. Malakas. Pulls. Wala pa rin. Right, that ends the second quarter of this game. The score, 40-48. Lamang ng 8 ang Green Boys. Third half na tayo. Okay, back to the ball game tayo.
Kulang pa. Kulang pa tong cash ano. Ay, wait lang. Ay, sakto pa lang. Sarap. 400 lang. So, nagbigay na tayo ng 400. Basket is... Basket is...
Good. Number 32.
400 na ibigay natin sa kanya.
Number 11. Wala. Number 11. Number 25. Number 25 still. And the shoot. And a steal by number 28. Basay. Wala. Sayang. And si number 25, Yutela. And a steal again by number 28. Number 28. Libre na. Wala pa rin. Kuha yan, ha? Alright. Bola ng green. 41-48 ang ating score. As number 26, sablay ang tira ko ni number 6 yan. Isa pa lang ang foul. Ayan si number 6. Number 6. Points number 18. Number 18 to number 32. Biernes, tumira. Wala. Nakuha ulit ng buwan saan. Number 18. Pass number 6. Wala. And there's a foul. Foul number 26.
Atin yung bola
Sablay,
na yan
saan?
ah. Yung bola pala natin dun oh. Boy, kami.
Sablay yung pangalawang tira.
Uwi na naman.
Banks it in by number 3. Is number 11.
Kunin mo yung bola
Number
dun.
25. Wala yan. Nakulit lang ng green. Pass to number 9. Basket is good. Number 9.
Hindi na.
Pag pumasok kayo doon. Yan na, si number 28. Forcing the offense. Wala. Out of bounds. Time out, rep. Time out. Legend PC. Time out ang Legend PC.
Pwede na.
Sino 50? Legend DC. Green ball tayo, green ball.
Yan ang mga green team, number 30. Steal yan ng Gwentrans. Gwentrans number 3. And there's a foul, committed by number 25. Number 25, second personal foul. And si number 32, line violation. Dalawa na ang foul ng Legend PC. Tira ng press, short. Rebound, ni number 3. Sayang ang tira. Pass to number 30. Wala pa rin, nakuha pa rin niya. Number 30, basket is good. Mendoza. Ayan na si number 28. To number 3. Number 3 to number 18. That's number 32 at the baseline. Rejected. Nakuha yan ng team. Number 25. Nakuha ni number 28. Number 28. Wala pa rin ko number 6. Wala pa rin ko number 32. Out of bounds, same ball, possession. Is number 28?
Sugtag tayo, red ball.
Number 28, naglalap ng mabasahan na number 18, number 6 sa the baseline. Malakas ang tira, ulit ni number 6 yan. Out of bounds, substitution tayo. Substitution muna, idol. Number 3 out, number 35 in. Tumira, basket is good by number 28. Tumira, si number 13.
Sub daw.
Set time out tayo. Set time out ha. Pag na-agit ng green, time out tayo.
Tumira, wala pa rin yan.
Pag na-agit, time out.
Pass to number 30. Number 30, Mendoza. Pass to number 25 to number 13, Enriquez. Laking mama, wala. Basket is good by number 6.
Time out.
Reset yung green, pag na-agit.
Number 13, basket is good. Time out.
Sino yung number 35?
Ayun o. Yawak book.
Number 35, wala yan.
Shot lock.
Shot clock, 13 seconds. Number 6, there's a foul. Who's foul up? Number 13 is foul. That is your first personal foul. Enriquez. Third team foul, pumasok. Pumasok kay number 6. Second one is good. Score natin, 49-56. Lamang pa rin ang Legend BC. Enrique, ayan isa number. Wala. One number 6, baseline shot. Wala. Wala yan, yung number 30, penetrates. Wala yan. Number 30, number 20. Basket is good, number 20. Number 18, tumila ng press. Wala. Airball. Airball tayo.
Sub tayo rin, sub.
Substitution muna, Are. Substitution.
Wala na.
Sub muna, sige. Okay na.
Delay kasi.
Eh, ang hirap naman. Hindi naman pag...
Magpito kasi kayo para alam nila, ha? Sisigaw na lang na.
Ano ang sumunod?
Number 11, number 30, number 20. Labring foul. Yan ang Legend BC. Legend BC. Sumalaksak, wala. Ano ni number 32? To number 8. Number 8 to number 6. Number 6. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Sub, idol. Pasok. Substitution. Number 3, Goyla in. Number 6, out. Alegon. Number 35, Tumiro, wala. Libre na yan sa number 30, Mendoza. 49-60 tayo. Lamang pa rin ang Legend BC. Ayan na, ang number 8. Nawalang bolas. Out of bounds. Long pass to number 20. Back to number 18. Drop pass to number 30. Wala. Ayan ni number 32. Number 32. Number 32 still. Malakas ang tira. Nakuha yan ni number 11. Number 11 steal. And a steal. Kicking violation. Number 11. Pass to number 20. Basket is good. Number 20. Number 3. Time, 2 minutes, 22 seconds. 49-62 ang ating score. Number 2 setting up the play. So number 8. Number 8. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 8. And there's a foul. Foul number 30. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Pang-apat na yan, team foul. Warning for penalty na Legend PC. Injury timeout. Substitution na ito. Hindi na kaya. Orlares.
Walang pa isa. Idol, wala pa isa. Pumasa.
Basket is good by number 10. Wala ba? Wala. Second, basket is good. Score 51-62. 11 ang kalamangan ng Legend PC. Yan si Mendoza. Traveling violation. Substitution, idol. Substitution, pasok. Kasi number 3 to number 35. 3 points, number 35. Gallego. 54-62 ang ating score. Bumawi, short. Kuha ni number 3. Last 2. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11, pass number 13. Step back, 3. Short ang tira. Nakuha yan ni number 35. Number 35 to number 32. Number 32 penetrates pass number. Basket is good. Number 88. Number 3, and there's a foul. Penalty situation rep. Who's foul rep? Foul number 20. Penalty situation rep. Pasok mga idol, pasok. Sir, pasok na muna. Pasok na. Sige. Pasok, pasok, pasok. Penalty situation, Brad. Penalty. Sige, pasok, pasok na. Penalty situation. First basket is good by number 3. Second throw, wala. Nakuha yan. Ang number 88, rejected. And ang Legend BC number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 13. Number 13, naganap na mabasahan. Back to number 11. To number 13. Baseline. Basket is good. 43 seconds remaining. Number 2 to number 10, Gwen Trans. Pass to the wrong man. Mendoza. Mendoza steal. Nagano'n libre na si number 13. Basket is good. Number 13.
Buzzer na lang, buzzer.
Buzzer na lang maririnig. That's number 25. Short. Ayan na ang score natin, 66-57 in favor of Legend BC. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Ang susunod na maglalaban ay from the adult division, Jamela versus Boss 1010. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Sorry, sige. Napindot na. And ang mag-win runs. Number 3, pass to number 10. Basket is good, number 10. 59-66. Number 77. Pass to number 11. Holding number 77, wala yan. Out of bounds. Blues ball. As number 3. And there's a foul committed by number 77. Number 20 pala yung foul. Number 20, second personal. Basket. Pasok. Ay, number 3. Second free throw. Wala. Nakali number 77 yan. Gwen Trans. Number 20. Number 20 finds number 11. Fakes. Basket is good. Number 11.
Wala pa sila talo na.
And ang Legend. Number 13. Number 3. Number 27. Out of bounds.
Pinalo sila ng Kaliksan.
Score natin 68-60. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Legend BC.
Boss wing ba yun? Last game mo, boss wing. Hindi, boss 10-10.
Boss 10-10 versus Jamela. Next game.
Shoot.
Pumasok ba?
Oo.
Saan? Kanina. Sa green. Sino yung nakashoot? Matangkad. Matangkad, number 35.
Foul number 30.
Sino nakashoot?
Wala pa ako naman. Tangkad. Sino ba yung tangkad?
Yan ang legend, number 20. Pasok yan, kay number 20. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Wala. Same ball possession ba? Same ball possession. Substitution ref. Substitution ref. Number 27 out. Number 18 in. Number 3, down to the ball. Finds number 6, umikot. Malakas ang tira. Nakulit yan ni number 30, Mendoza. Mendoza, straight to the basket. Malakas ang tira. Nakulit number 6. Number 6. Number 32, malakas pa rin. Nakulit ni number 3, forcing the offense. Water. Rebound na yan ni number 11. Number 11, delivery na. The number 20.
Pag nakashoot yung green, time out tayo.
Number 32, wala. Time out. Who's foul rep? Number 27 is foul. Time out muna tayo. Time out. Wentrans. Igisa kayong foul.
Win, win!
Okay na? Siguro nag-ground yun kasi nabasa.
Number 32 in the line. First bonus. First throw. Wala. Ang susunod na maglalaro ay Boston 10 versus Jamela. Number 6. 63-74 Alonso. Number 6. And the trades. Wala. Nakulit yung number 6 yan. Basket is good. Kaya number 6. Number 11. Pass number 20. Basket is good. Number 20. Score 65-76 time. 6 minutes 27. Pass number 10. Setting up the play. Finds number 8 into number 28. Nakawala. Basket is good. Number 28.
Wala? Direct dog!
Foul number 10.
Sino na foul? Win! Saan tayo win?
Foul number 10.
Yeah, idol, pasok mo!
Second one is good. Substitution.
Pasok!
Sub. Ang score natin 67-77. Green team are ahead by 10 points. Ayan na si number 18 to number 32. Finds number 28 in the paint. Forcing the offense. One goal. Rebound. Nawala yung mama. Wala pa rin number 28. Wala pa rin. Nawala ni number 77. And there's a foul. Number 32. Foul number 32. Tumira ng 3, wala. Number 32, penetrates, wala. Recover by number 28. Basket is good by number 28.
Bigyan na ito! Right yan! Gumawa ka yan, ang oras nun. Pag dead ball.
Yes, number 11. Back to number 77. 3 points, short. Rebound ng Guentrans. Steal by number 20. Steal ulit ng Guentrans. Number 18. Finds number 35. Pulls a 3. Short. Rebound number 28. Basket is good. Number 28. Time out! Legend DC. Ang ating score, 71-77. Babasaan ang kalamangan ng Legend DC. 4 minutes 36 remaining. Okay, back to the ball game. We only have 4 minutes and 34 seconds in this last quarter. Baba sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Legend BC. Number 9, tumira, perimeter, wala. Rebound ni number 35 and number 18. Number 18 finds number 35 for the 3. Overshoots, recovered number 28. Backs it in. And ang Legend BC forcing the offense, and there's a foul committed by number 32. Number 32, third personal foul. Meron pa kayong tigda dalawang timeout, both teams. Diba sa 5 ang kalamangan. Second free throw ni Mendoza. It's good. Score na rin 79-73. Time 4 minutes. Number 35 pulls the 3 and there's a foul. Committed by number 9. Number 9, first personal foul. Team foul.
That's 3.
Pumasok ba? Pumasok kayo number 35? Ha?
Basket is good. Dalawa. Second free throw, third free throw. Basket is good. Substitution. Substitution. Score na rin 76-79. Number 11 to number 5, Sebastian setting up the play. And to shoot, number 20. Number 35, pulls short. Rebound by number 35 to number 18. Pass to number 35, fakes. Number 6 to number 35, pulls the 3. Wala, nakuha to number 28. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. There's number 28. You got to remember the sign. Number 28. Points number 18. 10 to shoot. That is a traveling violation. Baba sa tatlo.
Pag-get ball, ay. Pag-get ball.
Baba sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Legend BC. Is number 11. Number 11. Pass number 5 to number 20. Pass na. Nawala. Naisilan. And there's a foul. Oh, number 6. Entrance. Time out, rep. Time out, time out. Time out, time out, entrance. Foul number 6.
Sa pa, idol.
14 foul na ang entrance.
Isang foul pa sila.
Pag naglima yung ano na yan, ang pag-break mo. Sakto lang.
Warning for penalty na. 4 na foul na kayo. 4 na.
Team foul. Pag mag-foul pa kayo ng isa, free throw sila. Sa inyo, dalawa pa lang. Sino ba ang apat na foul? Sa kabila? Yung... Kasi lang mag-free throw. Kabila. Sila pa yung apat na foul.
Legend BC. Inbound to the ball number 13 to number 20. Umikot. Basket is good. And it's number 6. Penetrates. Forcing the offense. And there's a foul.
Number 30.
Number 30. Number 30. Second personal foul.
Dalawa pa, dalawa. Ayun, no, tatlo pa lang.
Number 6 hit the line for his bonus. Tabla yung una. Second one is go. Wala. Nakuha ni number 28. And there's a foul.
Ayan,
Five.
warning to pa.
Warning to penalty na kayo pareho. There's a foul. Who's foul? Rep? Yung na foul?
Five.
Number 5 is foul. Sa Legend BC. Apat na kayo ng foul. Here is number 28, hesitation. And in the paint, that is good. Number 28.
Tayo mo tayo, tigisa.
Tig-isang timeout pa kayo. Number 20, wala. Only number 6. Last 2 minutes. Number 35, coach. Meron pa kayong tig-isang timeout. Both teams. Tig-isang timeout kayo. Tig-isang timeout. 1 minute and 57.
Team warning to penalty.
Pag-get goal, pag pumasok, pwede kayo mag-sub. Asto, number, basket is good, substitution, substitution. Wala, good, number 13, good. Score natin 78-83. 1 minute 31. Yan is number 11. Pass to number 30, wala. Walang tawag. Ayan na si number 28. Basket is good, number 28. Ayan si number 20. 80-83. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Legend BC. Sebastian. 10 to shoot. Number 20. And there's a foul. Who's foul rep?
Warning. Penalty na.
Foul number 27. Substitution. Rep. Rep, rep.
Arwen!
Rep. Who's foul? Who's foul, rep? Who's foul? Number 28.
Penalty na sila.
Penalty na yan. Penalty na. Number 13 in the line. Wala. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Legend PC. 7 free throw. Yes, sir. Yan ang Guentrans. Ano ang gagawin ng Guentrans? Number 32. Number 32 is still by number 30. Score na. Time natin. 48 seconds. Back basket. Time out basket. Wala yan. Nakuha yan ng Guentrans. 32 seconds. Number 6 umigot. Number 3 libre na. Basket is goal. Number. Time out. Idol. Time out. Time out.
Basket time, rep! Basket time.
Score natin 82-84. Meron pa kayo isa, di ba?
Kaya wala kasi time passer, idol, kaya di ano. Pero sinabihan na ito basta sinabihan niya, basket time out tayo ngayon. Basket time out kayo. Nagpal pa kami.
Sila time out.
Nagpal pa kami, nagpal pa. Sino na penalty? Penalty na kapila, idol. Penalty na. Penalty na kayo. Kayo ang penalty. Isa pa sa inyo.
Penalty na ang green, ha? Penalty na. Dito, isa pa. Isa pa. Warning sila sa penalty. Penalty na po kayo. Penalty na.
Parehas na penalty yan. Warning piso. Parehas na yan.
Dapat din. Parehas na idol. Parehas na. Yan. 5-5 na.
Pero lima foul bago penalty.
Tama, tama. Nandito. Meron tayong record.
Basket time out tayo.
Basket time out yan. Basket time.
Basket time out tayo. Basket time out.
35 seconds tayo. Basket time out. Okay? Number 13 boundary ball to number 20. Number 20 forcing the offense. And there's a foul. Time out tayo. Time out. Kaya natin, mag-free throw muna kayo. Who's foul? Number 3. Foul number 3.
Wala na sila.
Wala na.
Wala na yung timeout.
Wala na, nagamit nyo na.
Isang timeout lang kayo. Mag-timeout na kayo.
Wala na.
31 seconds remaining, 82-84 in favor of the green.
Basket timeout tayo ah.
Basket timeout tayo ha. Second round, done. Good. Basket timeout. Basket timeout tayo. Basket timeout. Score natin, 83-85.
Hindi. Basta 82 lang yan. 82-84. 85 lang yan.
84.
Hindi. Kamali lang ang pindot, idol.
Nagkamali ng pindot. Idol. Easy lang kayo. Easy lang.
Kaya, takbo lang.
Easy lang kayo.
Hindi tayo pwede mag-flip, idol. Kasi tayo kaya. Okay, gawin na natin 86. 86 natin.
Kasi gawin na natin 86 para hindi kayo malito, okay? Gawin natin 86 to. Okay? Gawin mo na 86 para hindi kayo malito. Oh, gawin. Yan, okay na. Tatlo yung lamang, okay? Para hindi kayo magkalituhan.
Hindi. Baliktad kasi.
Ayan mo na. Sige. Alright, we only have
Kinawasan ko kasi pinagdag eh.
31 seconds. Lamang ng tatlo ang Legend BC.
Voting, wala na tayo
Both teams ha, wala nang timeout. Both teams.
Penalty tayo pareho sa penalty.
Penalty pareho.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Hindi magbabasa. Hindi magbabasa.
Number 20. Throws the three. Three goes number 20. Wala na tayong timeout. 86 all tayo. To number 30. Number 30 na even. And there's a foul. Who's fouled? Technical.
Hoy! Ba't mo kinakuha?
Pero easy lang idol, easy lang. Easy lang kayo, easy lang. Easy lang, easy lang. Easy lang kayo, easy lang. Idol, idol. Isa lang pupunta dito, isa lang. Idol, kuha ka ng isang represent. Idol, upo kayo doon. Upo kayo, magulo, lalo tayo tatagal. Magulo lang kayo. Yung decision ng referee ang natin. Decision ng referee, may isang foul saka technical, di ba? May isang foul saka technical yung tawag.
Meron ng technical si Kuya.
Binato yung bola. Na okay. Technical yung number 6, binato yung bola, okay? Sino yung na-foul? Number 35, foul. Okay, yun na yung decision. Technical number 6. Number 35, foul. Binato yung bola eh. Technical talaga yun. Hindi pwede yun.
Yeah, binato mo.
Four-man light paper.
Kasi na!
Hindi niya pwede bahuhin yung technical kasi yung binato.
Binato mo.
Hindi niya pwede bahuhin. Kasi official yun. Kitang-kita eh.
Official kasi yun, idol. Number 13 in the line. Bonus shot, sablay. Deadlock tayo sa 86. 15 seconds.
Saan mo nga ako?
Substitution, idol. Pasok na, substitution. Substitution na, substitution. Number 30. Mendoza. Bonus is good. First one. Second one, basket is good. Wala tayong timeout, ha? Yan si number 32. Buzzer na lang maririnig, ha? Tumiwa ng press. Malinis, wala. Nakuha, number. Wala na tayong oras. Tapos na ang oras. 88-86. Diyan na nagtatapos. Alright.